Imagine a child facing a disease so rare it's almost unheard of. This is the reality for thousands of children with orphan diseases. These conditions affect a small percentage of the population. Finding treatments for them is a daunting task. Developing drugs for such small patient groups is commercially unattractive for most pharmaceutical companies. This is where pediatric orphan drugs come in. Pediatric orphan drugs are like beacons of hope. They offer a lifeline to children with rare, life-threatening diseases. These drugs are specifically researched, developed and approved for these unique medical needs. The development of these drugs is a testament to scientific progress and a commitment to every child's right to health, no matter how rare their condition. These drugs represent not just medical innovation, but also a profound ethical commitment. They embody our collective responsibility to alleviate suffering, even in the face of daunting odds. The journey of pediatric orphan drugs from laboratory to bedside is a story of scientific endeavor, compassionate care, and unwavering hope. The global pediatric orphan drug market is experiencing significant growth. This growth reflects increasing disease awareness. It also reflects advancements in drug development technologies. The market was valued at billions of dollars in 2023. It is projected to reach tens of billions by 2030. This upward trajectory underscores the rising demand for these specialized medications. This growth is driven by several factors. One is the rising prevalence of genetic disorders. Another is increased government funding for orphan drug research. The development of innovative therapies, such as gene therapy, also fuels market expansion. Pediatric orphan drugs encompass a wide range of therapies. They target various rare diseases affecting children. These drugs are often categorized by the body system they treat. Some of the major categories include oncology, gastrointestinal, neurology, and cardiovascular drugs. Oncology drugs are crucial for fighting childhood cancers. Gastrointestinal drugs address rare digestive disorders. Neurology drugs target conditions affecting the nervous system. Cardiovascular drugs treat heart defects and other cardiac illnesses. Each category includes a range of specific drugs tailored to particular diseases. For instance, enzyme replacement therapies address certain metabolic disorders. Gene therapies offer potential cures for previously untreatable genetic conditions. Section 4, Beyond the Counter, where these drugs find their patients. Pediatric orphan drugs are primarily used in two settings: hospitals and retail pharmacies. Hospitals serve as the primary point of care for many children with rare diseases. These drugs are often administered in specialized units. Oncology wards and intensive care units are common settings for their use. Retail pharmacies play a crucial role in dispensing these medications for home-based therapies. They also provide support to families managing complex medication regimens. Pharmacists offer expert advice on dosage, administration, and potential side effects. The distribution of these drugs is complex. It requires specialized knowledge and careful coordination. Pharmaceutical companies often work directly with hospitals and pharmacies. This ensures these life-saving medications reach the children who need them most. Section 5, the pioneers of hope, key players in the pediatric orphan drug market. The pediatric orphan drug market is driven by a diverse group of companies. These companies range from multinational pharmaceutical giants to smaller biotech firms. Each plays a crucial role in researching, developing, and distributing these specialized medications. Some key players include Company A, known for its expertise in oncology drugs for childhood cancers. Company B, a pioneer in gene therapy for rare genetic disorders. Company C focuses on developing treatments for metabolic diseases in children. Company D specializes in cardiovascular drugs for congenital heart defects. These companies invest heavily in research and development. They collaborate with academic institutions and patient advocacy groups. Their work is crucial for advancing the treatment of rare diseases in children. Section 6, a global fight, unevenly fought, regional disparities in access. While the pediatric orphan drug market is expanding globally, access to these treatments remains uneven. Developed regions, such as North America and Europe, have higher adoption rates. This is due to factors like robust healthcare infrastructure and greater insurance coverage. In contrast, developing regions face significant challenges. Limited healthcare resources, lack of awareness, and high costs hinder access to these life-saving medications. This disparity highlights the need for greater global collaboration and investment in healthcare infrastructure in underserved regions. Addressing these disparities requires a multi-pronged approach. This includes promoting local manufacturing of these drugs in developing countries. It also involves establishing sustainable funding mechanisms to improve affordability.